We're back today at the Honda. And the other day there I put a battery in it, it started no problems, but then the guy said we're having problems with it again. So Gary from Newcastle said to me, whatever his channel called, I can't remember, Auto Ingenuity or Auto, can't remember Gary, sorry. Anyway, he said to pull off the leak-off valve from the return pipe, and indeed, Scott, will you crank it here, man? We'll just have a quick look at this, lad. This is what's causing the fall in pressure. There we go, that's it. So diesel's flying out that, so that's what's causing the lack of pressure on the scan tool. So I take it we can buy this bit down here, go for that. Anyway, that's a quick one, cheers.